Nokia N82. Disassembly. You will need the Nokia Standard Toolkit version 2. Also refer to the General Mechanical Guideline video. Unlock and remove the C cover AC. Remove the battery if inserted. Use the SS93 to open the snaps of the window AC. Move the opening tool to the shown place, and open the next snap. Now, open the snaps on the top of the window AC. Continue on the other side. The window is hooked into the mainframe AC. To open the hooks, gently press down the window in the middle and remove it. Unlock all clips of the K-mate cover. Remove the K-mate cover and discard it. Unlock both side snaps of the UI module. Avoid damaging of the B cover. Unlock the bottom snaps. Use the SS93 as a lever, and lift the UI module from the mainframe AC. Turn the UI module to the shown side. And very carefully, open the UI module connector. Remove the microphone and discard the UI module. Carefully place the SS93 between the LCD and the mainframe AC. Very carefully lift the LCD from the mainframe. Gently open the LCD connector. Undo the Torx Plus size 6 screws in the order shown, and remove them. Unlock the mainframe AC starting at the shown side. Open the next snap. Open the snap on the other side. Remove the mainframe AC from the B cover. Remove the earpiece. Carefully open the flash module connector. Gently lift the engine module from the B cover and remove it. Carefully open the camera connector. separate the camera module from the PWB. Remove the DC jack with a DC plug. Unlock the antenna cellular IC. Unlock the antenna on the other side. And remove it from the B cover. Use a 3.5mm headset plug to unlock the audio connector. Audio connector drops out by turning the B cover. Carefully remove the camera grounding springs. Unlock the flash holder. And remove it. Unlock and remove the antenna GPS IC. Carefully remove the capacitor with the SS93. Remove the flash from B cover. Carefully remove the flash module, paying attention to the flex foil. Remove the remaining adhesive. Gently unlock the D cover IC with the SS93. Continue at the other side. Move the D cover a bit to the left and remove it. The disassembly is now finished.